Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the product. RTC Communications, located at rtccom.com, offers a comprehensive suite of communication solutions designed to streamline your business operations. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, their offerings can be tailored to meet your specific needs. They specialize in providing reliable and secure phone systems, including VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, solutions that can significantly reduce your communication costs. Beyond just phone systems, RTC Communications offers a range of unified communications tools, integrating various communication channels like voice, video, and messaging into a single platform. This integrated approach allows for seamless collaboration and enhanced productivity. Their expertise extends to network infrastructure, ensuring a robust and secure foundation for your communication systems. They provide network design, implementation, and management services, taking the complexity out of managing your network. RTC Communications also offers cloud-based solutions, giving you the flexibility and scalability to adapt to your evolving business needs. With cloud solutions, you can access your communication tools from anywhere, anytime. Customer support is a key focus for RTC Communications. They understand that communication is critical to your business, and they offer dedicated support to ensure your systems are always up and running. Their team of experts is available to answer your questions, troubleshoot issues, and provide ongoing support. They prioritize building long-term relationships with their clients, acting as a trusted partner in their communication journey. So, if you're looking for a reliable and innovative communication solutions provider, consider exploring what RTC Communications has to offer at rtccom.com. You can find the link in the description below.